Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling fan with lights for event purposes, and as you can see it comes really well protected. Let me take these pieces out of here. We have the light in here. We get all the pieces, the screws that we need to install it, which I think it's great. Okay. We have in here the installation manuals, okay? And these are the ceiling fan blades, okay? As you can see, they are double-sided, which I think it's great. This is the main unit, okay? And as you can see, it has this beautiful brushed metal finish, which I think it looks amazing, and it's really nice. It also comes with the remote controller and the receiver, so we can control our ceiling fan, which I think it's great. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, so as you can see, the installation process is really simple. All the instructions are really clear. And something that I find quite nice is that you can select the temperature of the light by pressing the on and off button of the light. Okay, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think it looks amazing. As I've said, you have the reversible fan blade, so you can select if you want this color or the other side, which I think it's great. It's a 6-speed DC motor, which I think it's really nice because that means that you can reverse it so it goes forward or reverse and use it on winter and summertime, which I think it's an excellent function. It also has a natural wind mode, which I think it's great. So you just leave it like there in your living room or where you want to place it. I think it's going to do an amazing work. And you can set it up for 1 up to 4 hours of continuous use, and it will turn off automatically, which I think it's a really useful feature. And overall, I like it a lot. It has a really nice design. It was really easy to install, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.